Can we help you?
Can we help you?
Yeah.
No, I didn't ask for help. Not yet.
Okay, you can't film inside the courthouse.
Oh, we weren't going to film in the courthouse.
Okay. You can't take film, you can't take pictures inside. You can take all the pictures
Did
you
you
want.
read the 2018 Department of Homeland?
This is the judge's order from
let
the
you
chief
talk.
judge.
Sir,
You can't take pictures and
it
photographs
says that you...
inside the courthouse.
We're not going inside the courthouse.
You
We're
are
going in the
inside,
courthouse,
yeah.
not the
You are
courtrooms. We're not going in the courtrooms.
You can take all the pictures you want outside.
Okay, first of all, you're absolutely wrong.
No.
And no, because Supreme Court has ruled.
We'll call the marshal service and they can come down and deal with it.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, I am covering a video from the YouTube channel Denver Metro Audit. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this type of content and would like to see more videos like this one, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Today's video took place on February 5th, 2022 in Denver, Colorado. The auditor in today's video was doing a First Amendment audit of the Byron Rogers Federal Courthouse. When the auditor walked into the lobby, he was stopped by security and told that he was not allowed to record inside the federal courthouse due to a court order signed by the chief judge. The auditor pushed back on this unlawful order. Ultimately, the police were called to resolve this issue. Now let's jump right back into this video and break down this footage.
You need to wear your mask while you're doing it.
Well, I mean, that's also not a law. That's a policy. There's no statute.
Yes, it's a policy of the chief
It's a
judge.
policy. It's
Policy,
not a
there you go.
law.
Policy's not a law.
I think you need to do your homework and you probably need to retire because you don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, thank you.
And we weren't rude to anybody.
Okay.
We didn't say, we didn't ask for help. We were just recording.
We
A
just asked.
DHS memo 2018 states we're allowed to record any federal building in the hallway, entryway, corridors, auditoriums. Look it up. I encourage you to look it up, sir.
And if I wish
And this
to-
is a federal building, correct?
correct.
Okay. And there's also case law on it too as well. Matter of fact, you guys got sued.
So what do you wish to say?
Because that's why they had to change the memo. Because it was 2010, now it's 2018, they had to revise it because of that lawsuit. Because a guy sued a federal courthouse for not allowing him to record. We're not in the courtroom.
So who are you trying to convince, sir?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Who are you trying to convince here?
Is that any of your business?
Yeah, you're asking me these questions?
Well, this is
This is
our
not my
building.
business either, what you
We're
think.
taxpayers.
Okay, please, go about your business then.
We didn't bother you.
Go about your business, sir.
Okay, we'll do that.
All right.
We'll do that. But you don't have to be rude.
I wasn't.
And matter of fact, what's your name and your badge number?
My name is...
I'm sorry? That's
What is
part of
yours?
your policy, sir. Your name and badge number now.
Kiss my... Now.
Oh, really? No, you can kiss
look
the
at this
square of
guy.
my
We got a
ass.
star.
How about that? Since you want to be up to you, sir. We were respectful, and you just told me to kiss your ass.
I did.
Yeah, that's on record.
Okay.
That's on record.
Okay.
We'll be filing
Did
a
you
formal
get that
complaint.
too? That he just told me to kiss his ass? Is that part of your policy
Here's the record.
too?
You need to leave.
He just
or
told
you're
me to
gonna-
kiss
you
his
need
ass.
to leave, or you're probably going to be arrested by the marshal, sir, for trespassing.
Trespassing?
Don't
Can't
come
trespass
in here-
us on
break
public
the law.
Don't
property.
come
You have
in
to
here and
break the law
drop
to
F.
trespass.
You don't come in here and drop F-bombs. And these
He
gentlemen
just
aren't
told-
wearing-
he
and
just
these
told me to kiss
gentlemen
his
aren't
ass.
wearing a mask. You need to have on a mask.
Everything is on
That's
camera.
an order of the chief judge. Phil Bremer is the chief judge. That's his order.
Sir, judges,
You're in
sir, can I
violation.
respond to that?
You're in
Judges
vi-
can make orders for their courtrooms, not for the entire building. That's unconstitutional, sir. It's
You're
unconstitutional.
in violation of the chief judge's order.
Of an unconstitutional order. They can't make an order for the entire building, only the
What's your name and
courtrooms.
badge number?
Yeah, we need to
I need
identify you guys
everybody's
too.
cards.
I'm not going to argue with
We
you.
need to
No,
identify
no,
you, sir.
because
What's your
I
name?
need to do a federal lawsuit. I need everybody's names and badge numbers, please. That's part of your policy? No. That's part of your policy, sir. Are you security or are you an officer?
Doesn't matter.
Huh?
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter?
No.
Wow. Wow. Truly professional. This guy over here told me to kiss his ass, which I guess that's part of your professionalism. And then you're not even giving your name and your badge number. How do I know that you're even a whatever you are? You better get your, I'll tell you that. I don't know if you ever heard of Colorado Revised Statute 16-3-311, where we're allowed to court law enforcement on public property, and this is publicly owned by the people, taxpayers. So you better do your homework.
They're gonna come take pictures of us.
Oh, good. And don't erase those. That's a Colorado Revised Statute as well. If you erase those, that is a misdemeanor.
Where'd you go to law school?
We didn't. That's none of your business. Just like it's none of my business. I know my laws better than you. Colorado Revised Statute 16-3-311.
I've forgotten more law than you ever know.
I'm sorry?
I've forgotten more law than you ever know.
Oh,
Where'd you go to law school?
Yeah, where'd you go?
6 months
Chuck E.
training?
Did you go to Chuck E. Cheese for your
They
loss?
wouldn't let you in.
Huh?
Look how unprofessional this guy is, man. This is how you treat members of the public? You're paid with tax dollars, sir, and this is your conduct? Come on, man, that's unacceptable.
Kiss my ass here.
He came in looking to
Even though he
No, we came in to be peaceful. You're the one that made contact with us and started making orders, unlawful orders too.
great
This guy's telling us to kiss his. We never said anything until you guys started being disrespectful to us.
We didn't do anything to anybody. We didn't say anything to anybody. We were just taking pictures and video.
How are we doing?
Are you the supervisor, sir?
What's going on, guys?
Are you the supervisor?
Who are you?
I'm a deputy with the Marshal Service.
Nice to meet you.
Perfect.
Yeah, nice to meet
That's
you
who we
guys.
need.
Can I see, what's your name and your badge number? please,
Yeah,
sir?
I'm not going to give you that.
Oh,
That's part of
okay.
your policy, sir. That's
So-
part of your policy. This guy here told me to kiss his. That's part of your policy as well. Is that professional? And I have it on camera, sir.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to tell you guys, and I'll be as cordial and as polite as I can, okay?
You're not, because you haven't given me your name and your badge. I don't know if you're an officer. I don't know.
I just showed you my credentials right there.
No.
Yeah, but you didn't
I
identify. You didn't identify,
You didn't
sir.
I said I was a
identify.
deputy
You're
with the
supposed to
Marshal
verbally identify, sir.
Yeah, but anyone
Anyhow.
can just say that. We need your name.
Anyhow, besides that, there's a local court order prohibiting videography inside the courthouse, the
That's
federal
an order.
courthouse.
That's not a law.
It is a
wasn't
local order.
It wasn't legislated
It is-
by Congress or the Senate.
I am simply informing you of the facts, and I can print that out.
It's a mandate.
Okay, that's
sir.
fine.
I think you
So
need to read
here's
that.
what I'm going to do. I'm going to contact the United States Attorney's Office, see if they're willing to prosecute for violating the court order. If they are, then we will arrest you people. Okay? I'm giving the opportunity to leave, and like I said, you can film all you
So
want
you're
outside
getting a-
outside of the building.
You're threatening us with arrest?
I am simply informing you
No.
of our
I need,
policies.
you're threatening us with arrest,
So
right?
I'm letting you know that. So that's fine. You guys can stay right here for right now.
No.
Perfectly fine.
We'll leave. But you're
And I will
threatening
contact
us
them.
with arrest?
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you.
You just threatened. That's
Oh,
on
he just
record.
said we can stay right here. He just told us we can stay right here. We're good right here? Okay. We're good right here, he said.
You just threatened us with arrest.
No, he just said we're good right here. He said we're fine to stay right here. He told us to stay right here.
Right now you can, because I'm going to contact the United States Attorney's Office.
But you said you were.
You just threatened us with arrest.
Yeah, you
Are you threatening with his arrest, sir?
Are you asking us to leave because
'Cause-
you're threatening us with arrest?
Informing you of what's going to happen if you guys do not decide to leave, okay?
Are you asking us to
so
leave?
if we don't leave, we're going to be arrested? That's
Are
what
you
I'm
asking us to
saying.
leave?
Are you giving us a lawful?
And then we're bye.
That is going to be up to the United States Attorney's Office.
If you've given us an unlawful order to leave, then we'll leave. But if if it's not a lawful order, we're going to stay.
If they're willing to prosecute you for this, then yes, you will be arrested.
No, you have to ask us to leave. That's how
You
it
guys are
works.
playing games, man. Just
You have to ask us
We're
to
going to be
leave,
arrested
sir.
if we don't leave.
There are no games being played.
You just said,
If you say
are you
yes,
asking
no,
us to
then we
leave?
Over. You guys are continuing this.
This guy's the supervisor.
we wanted was name and badge numbers. Matter of fact, we didn't even come in here to bother. Are you an agent as well?
I'm a private citizen.
I'm sorry?
I'm a private citizen.
Oh, private security company. Okay.
No, private citizen.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know. I'm apologize. I wasn't trying to get you involved. Are we in your way?
No, it's fine. I'll wait.
And this is on camera. We're asking him, do you want us to leave? On the threat, on the duress of and threat of arrest.
Yeah, under threat of arrest, we would leave during under duress.
See some paperwork, Mike?
No.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Supervisor, do you want us to leave?
You can stay in the lobby all you want. We close at 6.
No, I'm asking. Under threat of arrest, do you want us to leave?
Our business hours are from 7 to...
He just said we can stay in the lobby as
5:45.
long as we want.
That's on record.
Yeah.
Until we close.
Until we close. Okay? Well, yeah, we're not in there. We can record in the lobby. We're not violating the judge's order until we go in there, right?
And supervisor, Mr. Supervisor, sir, he told me to kiss
on
his.
outside the door.
He told me to kiss. Is that okay?
So as soon as you pass the door videotaping, that's when you violate the court order.
This door right here, the swing doors.
There's no signs.
Where's the sign?
On the outside of that door.
It says something not recording. Where's the sign? Please show me.
Yeah, let's go look at
I
it.
want to be educated.
This
Please
one or
show
it's one on
me. Can you please show us?
Saying that no cameras are allowed.
I don't know where it's at. It's
Can,
somewhere.
okay. Can you
They-
show me?
they
You said
wanna-
it was outside on
They
the.
can do film if they want a lot.
That one right there.
Where, sir?
Can you show it? Can you come show us?
It's right there.
Yep, that's poster 7. That's
Is that poster 7?
When security regulations, rules, orders, directives apply to federal court order or rule prohibits it, persons entering in federal property may take photographs of space occupied tenant agency of non-commercial purposes, and we are news purposes.
Okay, let me take a picture of that. It says photographs, news, advertising for commercial purposes, and then it has the CFR. Then it says except where security regulations, rules, orders, or directives apply. So I think that's.
Hey guys. So I guess I am here for you, maybe.
Okay.
So you guys were recording inside the lobby here.
We're not answering any questions.
You're not gonna answer any questions.
So
Can you
this
identify
officer
yourself?
just refused to identify
Inspector
himself.
number
Let's
854.
look and see
What's your
if he's
name?
required
I'm not
to
gonna say
identify
my name.
himself. Regrettably, there is no current federal statute mandating federal officers to reveal their identities to the public. Many federal law enforcement officers will simply identify themselves as federal law enforcement as a result of this. This is troubling because persons participating in nonviolent protests would be unable to identify the officer or the agency who captured, detained, or arrested them. Senate Bill 3909, Law Enforcement Identification Act, was introduced into the Senate on June 8, 2020, and the House of Representatives followed suit on June 11, 2020. This bill states that all federal law enforcement officers engaged in any form of crowd control, riot control, or arrest or detainment of individuals engaged in an act of civil disobedience, demonstration, protest, or riot in the United States shall at all times display identifying information in a clearly visible fashion, which shall include the federal agency, last name, and badge number of the federal law enforcement officer. This bill has been read twice and referred to the Committee on Judiciary Action. Unfortunately, no progress has been made toward passing this bill.
Policy to give us your name, sir.
Well, I'm not here for that, so
You're not here to abide by your policy?
I don't have a policy that says that.
You don't have a policy? That says your policy doesn't state you have to identify?
You are free to go.
Huh?
Yeah, you're free to go.
Okay, we're free to stay too.
Well,
So what's going on? What's the deal? Like, what are they telling you in there? I mean,
So here's the long-standing rules, okay?
okay.
Rules or law?
What?
Rules or law?
Court order. Court order. So you can do a Freedom of Information Act request if you want on the court orders to this federal building, okay? And in this federal building, you can't record inside the lobby, okay? So there's a judge that signs something that says you can't do something, okay? And that could be for anything, any kind of court order they want to do. Now, if you go next door to this federal building, it's different, okay? You're allowed to film in the lobby and common spaces, okay? And that's okay. If you want to go down to the EPA building, you want to film in there in their lobby, that's fine. You can do that, okay? You can't go past screening though, film, okay? Some of that stuff is PII, IRS office. They have their own rules because they're dealing with social security numbers, IRS numbers, birthdays, stuff like that. They don't allow in the office at all. No recording. Does that make sense? Because then you could steal information and, you know, commit crimes that way, right? Does that make sense?
So is this lobby right here before we go through screening? We can't record in that area as well?
Yeah, because there's a judge that said that you can't do that.
I got a question for you.
Yep.
Did you swear an oath to the Constitution when you took your job as protective service officer? Yes.
Yeah.
Do you feel that the judge can make orders for the entire building? Is that constitutional, or is it just for their courtroom?
Listen, I'm not going to get into all that.
Well, you swore an oath to the Constitution, sir. You should honor your oath. I mean, that's totally unconstitutional order. Judges do it all the time. Jefferson County is notorious for it. They make orders for the entire building. Yeah. They're only allowed to make orders for their courtroom, and that's it. Supreme Court, there's case law on that. So there's people that are going to be getting arrested and lawsuits.
Okay, so.
But I'm just saying, sir, you honored an oath. You swore an oth to the Constitution. Honor your oath.
You normally, with your gun unlocked like that, is that normal?
Unlocked?
Well, yeah, the thing that keeps it in there, is it? Does that thing fold back?
Oh, this?
Yeah. Or is
Oh, this is just a hard piece of pipe, so that way no one can reach over and grab my gun. It's just plastic. I could take it off, too.
Oh, okay. This is like it was like
yeah, that's not the law.
In the end, the auditor left the building and did not record inside due to being threatened with arrest. The auditor has given all his recordings of this incident to his lawyer, and the auditor has filed his formal complaints concerning this encounter. Well, YouTube, I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to go over to Denver Metro Audit's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.